Happy Saturday, happy Christmas Eve. This is the time I am filming this. Anyway, so I got the apron on, so you know what that means. I am beginning my Christmas cooking and baking. I'm not doing a whole lot. Well, anyway, I can't even believe I made it this far in Vlogmas, y'all. Wow. Pat myself on the back because I am proud of myself. I am so proud of myself to meet the challenge I made to myself to actually record something, you know, for the most part every day. But the biggest thing is edit and upload some every day now. I've been uploading at random crazy times because, you know, I can go ahead and get all my editing done, but once it comes to uploading on YouTube, oh my gosh, I have had the worst. It's been way long. It's like this, the one I'm editing right now. No, the one I just uploaded, like early mornings. When you see something I'm uploading after 8 o'clock at night, you know it's took me forever in a day just to upload. And it's because I'm just waiting for YouTube to do this little thing. But anyway, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself for, you know, quite a few accomplishments. This is one of them. I'm counting it as one of them because I'm almost done, and you're gonna get all 25 days of Vlogmas, okay? And the other thing, making it to 1,000 subscribers this year. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Do you know how long it's been for me to reach that number? I have been on YouTube a long time. But you know, I've been doing my own thing, not exactly what it, you know, I'm not following the latest and the greatest, so you know, it was a little bit slower for me, but anyway, I got there, and now we're still climbing. So thank y'all for sticking with me and making this rose garden what it is. And as new roses come in, we are growing, and ain't nothing like a pretty, beautiful, lush rose garden. I thank y'all for that. I so appreciate you guys. Thank you. I hope your 2022 was nice to you, and I hope 2023 is even better. Many blessings to all of my roses. Many blessings. You guys just don't know how y'all keep me going sometimes, seriously. And reading the comments, replying to them, talking to y'all have got to know me a little bit more. Hopefully in 2023 you get to know me even more, with me pushing myself to get myself out of the house more. So, you know, we're getting there. You know, baby steps, but we're getting there. Anyway, so I just want to stop in and say that real quick. If I don't get any other chances to do it, thank y'all. And I'm trying, you know, me and my crybaby self, or I shouldn't even say this, my emotional self, I got tears coming to my eyes and everything. Seriously, thank y'all. I really, truly appreciate y'all. I do. So anyway, let me get off here and get back to some cooking. Y'all, I don't know how I'm looking. Honestly, I don't care. It's about 2:40 in the afternoon, December 24th, Christmas Eve. And I would say almost 4 hours ago, my grown son advised me that he would be coming by a day earlier. So it's because him and his girlfriend plan to try to go out of town. So anyway, yeah, so I am mad rushing, and the time he told me, I had only just started the greens. Y'all, I'm working like a mad woman. I feel like I've been beat down. I'm so sorry. It's gonna hit me. It's gonna hit me, but I'm working my tail off to get everything done. The only thing I have left, I have the ham in the oven. I just put the marshmallows on the candy yams. I have mashed potatoes, or the potatoes boiling on the stove for mashed potatoes, but that's almost done. That's quick. The only thing I wanted to have done is peach cobbler, and I did not make the pecan pie. So basically the sweets, the sweets pretty much is going to be the candy yams. I mean, I could still try to do the peach cobbler, but that might be a New Year's thing. So anyway, if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you celebrate anything else, Happy Holidays. You got days off, Happy Holidays, because you know they only give you days off if you have a holiday or if you have vacation. That's if you know you go outside the house for work. So anyway, Happy Holidays, y'all. Stay safe, stay warm, be smart, and drink your water. Okay, so the marshmallows overflowed, so I had to take the ham out and clean this off. Oh, y'all. Now, if I'm this far away, just slide a little bit. You see that, Jason?
Mm-hmm.
Abdul, why are you trying to raise your head up, son?
I'm not.
You know I'm messing with you. Oh my goodness, why are you so tall? Wait, do it again. Why you have to scrape he had to scrape the ceiling. He touched the ceiling, he had to just rub on it. Just to prove. Just to prove.
You're trying too hard.